Welcome to our Figma tutorial series. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of Figma plugins and showcasing the top 5 must-have plugins for designers. Let's dive in. First up, we have Content Reel, a powerful plugin that allows you to quickly access and insert placeholder content such as images, text, and icons into your designs. Say goodbye to tedious manual content creation. Next on our list is Auto Layout, a game changer for organizing and aligning elements in your designs. With Auto Layout, you can easily create responsive designs and save time on layout adjustments. Stark is our third must-have plugin, focusing on accessibility in design. With Stark, you can ensure your designs are inclusive and meet accessibility standards with features like color contrast checking and colorblind simulation. Unsplash is a fantastic plugin for accessing high-quality, royalty-free images directly within Figma. Say goodbye to the hassle of searching for images online and easily integrate stunning visuals into your designs. Last but not least, we have Figmotion, a powerful animation plugin for Figma. With Figmotion, you can bring your designs to life with interactive animations and transitions, taking your prototypes to the next level. And there you have it, our top 5 must-have Figma plugins for designers. Incorporating these plugins into your workflow will enhance your design process and boost your productivity. Stay tuned for more Figma tutorials and tips.